What's up guys, DUBB. Welcome to my channel, and this is my 2000 Toyota Celica. In this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the handbrakes on Toyotas. Right now my parking brake is not working at all. Let me show you. Let me go ahead and put it in neutral. I'm going to pull the handbrake up. You can see my car is rolling backwards. It's not working at all. So what happened, this cable here is too loose. Let me see how many clicks there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 clicks. The amount of clicks you should get is between 6 to 9. So this is too loose. That's why my parking brake is not working. So you got two nuts right here. They're 10 millimeters. And I'm going to loosen them. Once it's loose, then we spin the top one. What you want to do is adjust the bottom one. Let me go ahead and put this back in park. I'm tightening it. Go and check on the play in here. You should get about like an inch of play. Still kind of loose. You don't want to tighten too much, because if it's too much, your rear drum shoes or your brake pads will be dragging, and you don't want to do that. Let's see if I put it into neutral. Actually, it's still moving. If I push it with my leg, it shouldn't be. So it's very loose. So as you can see, that I adjust this thing to the maximum, and it's still not working. And I had drum brake on this car right here. And what's going on is I replaced the drum shoes, and this adjustment in there, I didn't tighten it. So right now the shoe is not expanding out. So even with the handbrake engaged, it's not fully making contact with the drum. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna loosen this thing up, put it back where it's supposed to be. Go and loosen this nut up right here, put it back to the position it was before. Maybe halfway or more than halfway. That should be good enough. So what I need to do is adjust this right here. So this thing will expand outwards. same for the other side. Got stuck a little bit. I'm gonna use some never cease on it. Now it's pretty tight. All right. Go ahead and remove these bolts right here. All right. So once you adjust this right here, now you can go and readjust this right here. Once everything is adjusted, go ahead and tighten the top bolt to lock it in. Like I said, you should have 6 to 9 click on the handbrake, and also have a little play right here, not too much. All right, I got the brake adjusted. Let me see how many click I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I got 9 click right here. So in the range of 6 to 9. So I got 9. And let me go ahead and put it in neutral. And let go the brakes, and the car is not moving. I'm in neutral, and the car is not moving. Let me go and release the brake. Now the car is rolling, and the car stopped. Put the parking brakes on. It's all good. So that's how you adjust the handbrakes on the Toyotas. You either adjust it from here. Normally, if you don't do any brake works, and you can adjust here and that'll take care of it. But if you just recently changed your drum shoes out, and you need to make sure that you expand the adjustment on it, otherwise it won't work properly. So I went and adjusted mine. Now it's working like it's supposed to. All right, I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.